Hello friends, now we see the topic number 4, that is derivative of standard function of chapter differentiation. Now under the topic number 4 we have topic number 1, that derivative of constant function. So let f of x is equal to c, where c equal to constant. Therefore, the next step is f of x plus h. That also we get c. Then by first principle of derivative, f dash x is equal to limit x tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx totally divided by h, that equal to limit h tends to 0. Now for f of x plus h we substitute value c, minus for fx we substitute value c upon h, that equal to limit h tends to 0, c minus c gives 0 divided by h, and that equal to limit h tends to 0, 0 divided by h 0, and limit of 0 is 0. So in this way we proved f dash x is equal to 0. It means the derivative of constant function is always 0. So this is a required solution for derivative of constant function. Thank you.